In fact, apart from that one, I want to ask Flavor. How you take write this pumpkin part?
If they say me, you write that.
And do baby sawa le. Ash.
Then start.
Pumpkin. Barakotom. Okay, don't do. Say no. Maybe the producer could sing. No. Okay, for a minute, 1 minute. How many minutes for a night? It's not 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, Charlie, baby. How many minutes? No, 15 seconds. Bongo. It don't pass. Nothing like that. Anyway, now I come back to the next show. Pumi only don't sit down the HR expert. Pumi, over to you.
Later catch her break. Let's go for saying that bottle. Pity her. After you don't sit down right all the time. No. That you don't say 5.
No, maybe the manager tell her say, okay, you know to go put this part in conscious. Wait.
Leave her like that.
Do that again. Say Adam.
Oh God. Hey, what did they discuss today?
You don't know what they discuss again. We not time, not even there again.
Time go day. Please, time go day. This ember months.
Yeah, yeah, don't finish.
Now what you are wearing to your workplace. This ember months.
Time go day.
This ember months.
People like person who enter lift. I hear that gist. So people don't use until they do joke. You just enter inside elevator. Okay, the person the person wait for elevator. They 8th floor. So they go down now. Now the person the thing can't come up, can't open. Come to the person, please, are you going down? And they can say, it's not me that will go down in Jesus' name. It's you that will go. Say, madam, now lift now. People that is a new joke there. Continue, we go.
Workplace dressing. This kind is even cloth now. Is it okay for workplace?
Easy bit, come outside. Okay, look easy bit.
But
now.
I like, this easy bit look.
Why you touch your head? Come outside.
Hey! Daddy.
Hey,
please, throw. Back and
now
forth.
smart casual.
Just go now.
Catwalk will go.
Yeah, now.
Where be like rainbow.
No, but, you see, we can't be like, who don't blow, go far.
Easy bit don't blow now.
Catwalk.
He remember to just carry lock and saying they go lock.
Who's saying you bounce now? This dressing now for office, if this office now,
Now smart casual, easy bit way.
Yeah.
Smart casual.
My own uncle.
Your own business casual.
With, you know, say,
You not see my jacket? Because I don't wear them.
Oh, okay. Then
Don't try me.
oh yeah, wear a
Don't
jacket.
try me. I will wear it now.
You know, say last time they do the dress like upcoming. He come vex come today.
Maybe you are too much.
Come on.
What a very good bad guy.
Yeah.
Side. No, you don't.
You don't do.
It's trouble casual.
Hey, when they do? What they do?
Like politicians. No. You don't do the politician style. There is what more.
Then look down.
There is what must show.
Must
Then
show.
look
Come.
down. You don't think now.
There's some politician. No, then they do like this. Those who do like this don't die.
Yeah.
Some not like this they do now.
Late.
Anybody will come and kill you. Continue, we go.
And you just do you know, say this night now. You don't be like upcoming.
I don't be like, come, what I be like now?
You be like person we don't blow.
Hey!
We there, we must blow. Hashtag we must blow.
No, that person will say go pay us money.
That person will say go pay us money.
Our account number.
Anyway, our phone lines go there open in case you want call. Those of you we get questions from last week. Make you begin call us. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV now, and then on top Twitter as well at W9 Show. If you follow us, talk for Twitter. Over to you.
For workplace, you suppose they modest. Not be say you go do makeup. We be say the eyelash go like this. Or maybe your trouser where you wear, they too tight.
As man or woman.
Both man and woman. In
So
fact,
nowadays they say man, they get
they
this
will get some kind pencil.
You one trouser is when I see for weekend say they wear them, but it can't be like say the entire robe for man trouser. Can't be like say the entire robe for side.
You see, say easy bit own is slim for down, but here they okay. But some people they go come wear the whole thing, it go come tight.
No play that one now. They don't fit squat. You go.
They don't fit squat oh. In fact, if they raise legs small, socks go show. In fact, leg go show, and it's supposed to, supposed to.
Yeah, so all this when they wear cloth, wear socks, they show. Uncle.
Your socks supposed show, but your skin no supposed show.
But if people when they wear red and yellow socks like they do get one socks.
I get different kind of color socks. So I get yellow. I get orange.
Different type.
Different color.
Now mixed color.
No, for man, for professionalism, you suppose they wear colors like black.
No,
blue,
if I go meet, I don't
blue.
wear that kind of one. But you go fit bear with me. You get some kind of dressing.
You fit wear this
when
kind
would they
cloth.
dress? All those classic man.
You combine them.
We go combine them. All
Classic
those classic man dressing.
Yeah, just
now they use that kind of stuff. When you go use tuxedo and everything, your chain.
They're going to tell you say nice outfit.
You got a nice outfit, man.
But your skin no supposed show, sha. Whether you be classic man, I be
or on classic man.
on classic, I be upcoming man. Your socks no supposed show.
But their socks they show.
Socks, your skin no supposed show.
Okay.
Then the socks, if you suppose, you get some colors where you suppose know they wear now, like all those kind neon pink, neon green.
No,
you supposed to tone them down.
People they wear that kind of one.
No, but they get some where they wear shoe. They wear socks, but they just wear that
The gym wear socks. They're not supposed to wear gym wear socks for shoes. You know, say man shoe they different.
Yes.
You get penny loafers.
Yes.
You get shoes where we say for work. For shoes, you're not supposed to wear gym wear socks. The gym wear socks are those ones where they stop for hair.
Yes.
Now gym wear they make them for. But some people they go come wear those gym wear socks, can't enter shoe.
If you can't get shoe where not to size you, you want to wear those football socks.
Then come for them.
All those you can't wear shin guard.
Then
Make you for size you well. Anyway, continue.
Know what year it is. You see, this one it affect both men and women. You know, say some people they go don't buy something maybe like 1995.
Yeah.
They keep that shoe very well, keep that color very well. We don't date 2015, no. Those kind of clothes no day again.
Like shoulder pad, this is like
They go come bring them and say, this is still good. I keep them well since 1995 I don't buy. They don't forget, say that thing don't day outdated. They'll come knock them for body wear. I see somebody wear double-breasted jackets for church. I nearly collapsed. Double-breasted. You can't wear grey.
No, that kind of, you know, say we get jackets, we get suits, we get coat. That one is suko. Okay. Suit and coat together. Suko ja.
No, but if it fit them, and it get maybe the cloth. It depends on the wearer of the cloth.
Okay.
Haven't they? You know.
Can't you remember that time where bell bottom come? They school that time. You know, say now. You been get some jeans where we say wide mouth, but no, we say na bell bottom.
Yes.
But somebody where don't get bell
But
bottom.
that's the one time.
Bell bottom with clogs.
Emma, good evening.
Hello, Emedu.
Emmanuel, how you doing? Good evening.
No, Emmanuel, na Joseph.
Oh, Joseph. Hey. Joseph, okay? How is you?
I'm fine, Joseph already.
How is your ministry?
My ministry is doing well.
Unga, talk to us.
Like that issue of that so.
Okay.
That so, you know, say like, who will the boys like this now? Would they like to wear many color now?
Bam. Thank you. Me, sef, I get plenty color. Me, I get plenty colors.
Abi?
Like which kind of color?
So, I don't know why to say, but you know, say my matured men, they like to wear those navy color and black now.
Which color you get?
Which colors?
I get navy color now.
Like which one?
Which colors?
I get black, I get red and black, red and white. I get many.
Why you go get red socks, Joseph? Who they wear red socks? Are you Guru Marachi?
No, the socks, no, they say na pure red though.
Na maroon.
No, they say na pure red. It's just
Na maroon.
What he be? Na mixture of red?
Yes, you get it, man.
Joseph, thank you. No, Allah. Thank you very much. But this socks to me, this socks, see.
No.
I know, for you to look very classic.
Yes.
For you to look, it has to be black and
and
straight
again,
up.
where you go.
And again, where you go enter.
Exactly.
Again, where you go meeting. When you wear colors, so they go look like small bikini.
Exactly.
So this one never know what they do. We've got those huge business meetings.
Yeah.
Everybody go, they pierce, go wear normal black socks, everything.
Yeah.
In fact, all those black socks will be like shimmy, where they light.
Yeah.
So,
Down like that.
so that one go show whether you
go
sabi
show
how
say,
to wear it.
and your
because
shoe
it's here.
and your shoe guys, my brother, he gets some kind of shoes where you go see these days where we give his children, small children conversion.
Those
I
ones
say,
wey go like this, abi?
And
you go see shoe when you say you go some epilepsy go begin catch begin akoko, it don't mad dog, it don't mad dog, it don't mad dog.
I see one for the shoe be like Keno.
Hello, continue.
But you know, say you get some shoes for men. If the shoe dirty, I don't know. It be like say for man, belt and shoe.
It's supposed to match.
Yeah,
No,
belt
and shoe. If not brown shoe you wear, your socks, your shoe supposed to be brown.
Yeah.
If not brown belt, your shoe supposed to be brown. If not black belt, then
If
your
it not be the same tone, not try am.
not just leave
Not
am.
try am, just
Not
leave am.
Just leave am. People not everybody know that one. So now down here now, yeah. If you wear like if you want to know your rating now, your I want call person name wey that one they wear red shoe and red. No, continue.
You don't see him blue shoe
He who
before.
knows.
I don't see him blue shoe.
Blue shoe.
That guy.
I say for Valentine Day, I don't need collapse. You wear red shirt with white suit. Come put red cap. Oh,
The guy don't wear pink suit. No pink suit.
and then this collapse.
Continue, people. Hello, good evening, Emmanuel.
Yeah, they do good evening.
How you doing, Emmanuel? How is you?
I'm fine, though. How is you?
We there? Are you with me?
I am with you, maybe.
Which question you got to ask or what you want to talk?
I was really been talk of the day. I just because now I call my people.
What's you?
My brother, you are.
My brother, you will not make heaven.
Then they talk, some people no go make heaven.
Yeah.
Jesus is coming.
Yes.
Aka, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Aga.
Continue.
Then t-shirts and caps.
Okay.
You know they applicable for workplace. Although that one they dicey. You know why? You know, say when we start this topic, we talk say some people get uniforms.
Yes.
So when they get uniform, they allow you. So okay, maybe for Fridays,
Yes.
make now they do business
Yeah, dress
casual,
down.
dress down. But in dressing down, don't be say go wear one kind t-shirt where you don't wear for your high school. Not be those kind one that they talk. T-shirts will be say
If you stand
know,
outside,
if you-
this guy easy with their t-shirt.
if you want blow people logo self like Ralph Lauren and those kind
You
of
can
things.
wear those kind of things.
Not be the one where we say they don't shred for bag. I
And
be
you
the
think
one
say
where
that
they
it
don't.
come be like style to you. Meanwhile,
or the one where
nothing,
they write different thing or they use different colors, splash the body, take jeans, gum for here, take linen, gum for
They
here.
come stand and say, yo.
Yeah,
It's a smart casual Friday.
Come wear
For
tear
your
jeans.
mind.
Don't wear this in this Ember month. Please. In this Ember month, don't wear it.
Yes.
Then don't wear sandals. Yes. People they do this kind of mistake.
Even if the sandal, you know, you get some kind of fine sir.
Sandal.
Don't wear. You know, some people go tell you say, my leg they pain me. They can't wear sandal. No wear sandal. No wear flip flops. All those
Men and
slippers.
women?
Both men and yeah.
Eh?
You are in a corporate environment. You suppose wear shoes. Even the sneakers where they wear for Fridays. Not be all those kind sneakers where they get different color. Where you
Okay,
go.
that Adidas.
Where the sneakers go be green. You go come tie pink. Skinny. Where they go see you from Muri. Not be those kind.
You know, say I'm out low.
So I suppose where the one will be say it day at least corporate smart casual. That's now why they call them smart casual. Then they say no for women. No, they go do one kind bogus.
Hey!
They say na trend.
Wait, we'll come back. Bayo, good evening. Bayo,
Yes.
how is you? Are you with the man?
Yes, I'm here. Hello.
Also here, junk fire. Oh yeah, talk.
Hello, Preview.
Evening.
Talk now.
How are you, Najee?
See us here now.
Hello.
Hello.
How far now?
We there. How now?
As you there, one day I won't go for interview. I
Okay.
can't wear red shoe, can't wear purple belt.
What it go happen?
Na comic show.
I don't go lie for you. This time they just tell me come out. They don't allow me enter studio.
You say who send you?
Why are you say who send you dress that kind way? Then they follow you from village. Why you go wear red shoe and purple belt?
Maybe you don't get so.
Mona true now, they follow you from village. You go wear purple. No, imagine even one man not go dress like that. Purple.
Popular
Red,
red.
abi?
Purple and red. Then they go.
What in the color of shirt? Ask him.
Bayo.
Buy your. What be the color of the shirt where you wear?
You know,
What
This,
be
the
the
shirt
color?
where you wear that day. Now which color?
you want them to wash them?
Bye bye. Leave him. Bye bye. From Benin. Good evening, Felix.
You want them to wash them?
Felix, your TV volume.
Good evening.
Good, Felix.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Felix.
Ade.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Yes, are you with me?
I am with you one day.
How far now?
I did. How is your ministry?
The girl what I want to tell you now.
Oh, yeah, talk.
I notice say now only when Pasonya is dey studio, you dey coordinate your spell go cool. But when as you go meet the other celebrity, dey go dey show yourself. Just like Pasonya, you dey pull your spirit down, go cool down.
Okay.
No.
So because of that, we go change level now on Friday. This Friday.
Felix.
Be like say you don't
Felix.
know Nedu.
Felix.
No matter what you do, you go do. You must know. You don't need a lawyer.
Now you do.
Felix, see my hand.
Now you do.
In this ember month.
Your photos are there.
Felix, in this ember month, I will shock you. In this ember month, look at me. I will shock you. Bye. I will shock you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
This ember month.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta vista, baby.
Continue.
Somebody get question. He say, what is please, what is putting on what do you put on shoe? Here.
Wait, he said,
What
please,
is she-
what is she putting on first shoe? I been a sandal, and please, why she dey always wear high heel? I be she not. Man of God, Pastor, if I am mustard seed, because rearrange your question
And send it.
Send it again.
Bam.
Pastor, yeah, let's say this guy know me when I did Kakuri that time. You are looking very good. I'm so happy. I remember years back in Kakuri. That's why they grow for Kakuri for Kaduna.
That for them there, young one, are you a monitoring spirit? Forget them there. How did he finger and single you out? How did he know you? Did he follow you from the cradle?
Send your message again. Over to you.
Then if you have tattoos, if you get tattoo for body, if you get tattoo for body, or you do maybe body piercing or something, you supposed cover them.
But you know,
Yeah,
some
and
people
that one I
they
agree.
do.
You
No,
suppose
you know,
cover
some
up.
people they do tattoo in some unseen place. Where because sometimes if you sit down, you want to pick something for floor.
You go
Okay,
see
for back, all those kind of tattoo.
Say,
Yeah.
maybe your shirt.
Maybe
go
your
draw
dog can say, wow. Wow.
No, be say
Ginger,
you-
good evening.
No, we say you intend, to draw.
Ginger, okay.
CJ.
Do bobo.
Nna keke me.
Na ibo branch na me big girl.
Hey, iwe se ke gbo anyi nna o. Hey, nne gbo nika. Are you with me? Ngwa ask question or talk.
Question what me I dey ask. Say that my sister, why the son of live God in the talk? What if we get one talk when talk but when let us talk? Guess where the say them they bend their head be like masquerade. Why not talk that one?
No, thank you. Chijoke, thank you say you remind me now. We go talk am now.
That my sister when they talk that thing, that only the way she dress, she dey very fine. Why she not talk? But you get some girls every time they go dress me, they go dey like masquerade.
Yes, sir. I don't know what you talk.
Be like say na
Yes,
loud makeup
thank
they talk,
you.
abi.
No one go discuss am now. Thank you. You know what you talk. Hey, yes, thank you. Now that hair part, I don't see one girl. I don't see no person no play. Her lashes. You feel
nearly
kind
talk-
of sweep ground.
But some people like her
She
now.
feel do like this.
Pattern like dog.
No. See, she feel do like this. If it hits, they do you. she go just take find you.
But some people they like him now. No be they know they do it for themselves. And
But
they always
why?
talk that thing.
That hating. Sometimes
You are
people say,
doing
okay,
it
now they
because-
annoy me. They will see white. Now they do different kind of braid. Red.
Blue, red,
Green.
white.
Yellow, purple. Because they prep themselves for December, this ember month. This my brother.
Ember month.
Then they go do some outrageous style, maybe say, if you cover one eye.
Yes.
Like
then
this.
they go cut this part of the hair. No hair go there
And the
again.
one with the annoying me.
So when
because
they
you
talk,
guys,
they
go
go call them-
Yes.
Exactly.
No.
Now hand.
Yes. Then they come. Okay.
hair, now
They
you
come.
get
They
them.
wind their hair like this. No, actually, cut your hair. 150 naira, 300, 500. They cut your hair or 1.5.
Finish.
Cut your hair.
Or do moderate style wey be say you no go dey take hand with dey.
You don't see cutting hairstyle. You don't see me hairstyle. See, is it between the fry hair? You want to continue to go.
So they say your makeup dey e suppose dey natural looking and conservative. No be say you go like the one wey you talk lashes you go long like this you go take am all
You go
this
just do like
place.
this.
Yes, clean ground.
You go don hoover. This place go don clean.
Now, if the person doesn't,
No, you know say those eyelashes get work. Excuse me, sir. All those your files are almost ready now.
that guy, if the person,
They're almost
if
ready.
that person do like this, you go hear, vroom, 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 yeah, vroom, vroom. Good evening, Moses. Moses.
Hello?
Moses, good evening.
Good evening.
What talk? We're hearing you now.
Lady, how are you?
And my brother, I did like it.
All right. That your clothes say you wear, I like them.
The shirt or be the jacket.
The jacket.
One now, I go give you.
I want to interview tomorrow. Maybe you will come give me, make I wear and go.
Oh yeah, now come. I go block me. I go give you. Just
Na
block me
the
for
same
for
size
free.
as.
Yeah, happen here.
yours block him. Moses, if you fit day outside of the
Hello,
gate
Bright.
at 7:49 a.m. prompt.
Good afternoon. Oh. Good afternoon.
Good evening.
All
Good
join.
evening.
It's Ember month.
Now my
All
greeting
join.
is Ember month, my brother.
Are you with me?
I am with you, one now.
Now, well done.
Thank
Tell
you.
you.
I want to quickly ask some question from this auntie we dey with us. So.
Oh yeah, now.
I want to say, if somebody come dey tell me say to dey wear lace shoe for native lace, say they wrong. So I want me contribute, may advise me put on that one.
Okay.
Okay.
If you end call now, go answer you.
You do say if you answer that one now.
He said whether to
See,
wear.
normally,
shoe.
it dey wrong. If you wear native, you're not supposed to wear lace shoe. Now the one will not be lace. Now you suppose lace shoe now for corporate.
As for trouser and shirt and jacket.
Yes,
like,
I mean lace shoe. For native, then they wear lace shoe for native.
they wear the other shoe when no get lace.
Go, if you not believe me, go on top of Google. Google am. You go see where did they wear what lace shoe they meant for. Thank you.
Naman so they ask, say, how about this kind of very short skirt like Katim own? Who tell you say Mbano?
Katim skirt no short
no short oh.
He not short
See
oh.
now. No.
I beg, look me well, oh.
He not short
No
oh.
short oh.
Look me well, that is it.
I beg, can we put our number on the screen? Somebody one call and say not see number. I mean, what Bumi is wearing, is it shoe or a sandal? It's always wearing high heel. Is she trying to add height?
Pastor.
Pastor.
Maybe like say once as I
Don't let
talk.
me know. Church,
Pastor,
guys,
you
you
remember what happened in Methodist Church? Do you remember? Do you remember?
It be like say the pastor no say as I talk reach.
Stand up.
Make them see I
Please,
talk.
be
Pastor,
careful this
watch.
Ember month, Pastor.
She is long, not tall. See the shoe. She's a tall somebody. Pastor Biko Kwa. Remove your eye. God bless you, Pastor Ifani. Before you go and put yourself where your hand is not going to come out from. Look at them, we know before you have come money.
No, you know, in yours need to be careful so that in no go yours become like ant on top sugar. You know, say they, you know.
When you bring ant on top sugar for
I just, you know, as you talk that proverb now, it yours ginger my own repertoires of proverb. Oh, this say now only you have speak English. But you don't know me this Ember month.
Continue, I beg. Leave it.
Now say your cloth. People they do this one. Your cloth no suppose they turn.
Whether na even whether na so they decide
you
they
no
don't even
suppose
wear
get
them.
stain and you no suppose they dirty.
But I mean, some people they make some people not be see. Okay, your cloth not supposed to tear. It's not supposed they rough. It's not supposed
Dirty.
get dirty.
You no suppose get stain.
You're not supposed to get stain. But you know, so that stain sometimes na mistake. But if you go chop oil food now, you go rough for your body.
Finish. You drop this thing now. Where another one?
But if you not get another one,
Now you use careful why they
you use washing powder and Kusaiko sponge.
you go their hair. They not supposed to wear faded clothes.
Yeah.
yeah.
You know some people you go talk say I don't. If you know how much I buy this shirt,
As
I
he
buy
faded
this
like
shirt,
that.
yeah.
Nah.
They go come carry
Say
and
this
wear
shirt
like
now
that.
when I marry my wife now I buy am. Now the first gift to my first babe, first game, and I still love that babe. So this shirt is very
They go come, they take
emotional
detergent, they
attachment.
wash
Yes,
am. Watch out. All the lines for the shirt go down please.
Moving mouth chain.
You go come the way. Come go buy local starch.
You know that local starch, if you say if you put the cloth go fit stand on your own. The
go
cloth
be like
go
say you be flat person.
That kind one if friend beat you like beat you here. Jesus, you are dead. Anybody will touch you, free am.
You can't hold me now.
That kind one don't hold me now for that one. Funny enough, we don't even get time. So how many points remain for us to finish?
We don't finish them.
Oh, we don't
be
finish.
say to close, they dress for the job where you want. You don't get job,
Okay.
But when they dress every morning, they dress as if you won't go interview.
Okay.
You need that job. Okay. So HR people they talk say dress for the job you want, not be the one where you get.
Dress for the job where you want.
Yes.
Not be the one where you get.
I think about the hostel because
Hostel.
sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you just don't. Now anything where you see, you wear.
And you feel nine be say dressing these days, not be say it has to be business formal. You feel do business casual, smart casual.
But at
it
least
has
it's
to be
still
tidy.
looks
So Claude went
Exactly.
here now we fit use needle and thread. So
If you no go show,
Not true. Some little and thread you go see.
some people go take red thread,
You go
so white.
Anyway, double toilet all of
Then
now.
he
Wait,
go
watch
say, now
us.
design. Say no.
On that Twitter, no number on the screen. What of call? Sorry. What of somebody wear suit with his shoe, but you know wear sock? Is it okay? It's not okay. How about the kind of very short skirt? Look, Katim don't stand up. And they do. Are you? She don't know what you do. I am really enjoying your show. Your people are always put a smile. Double toilet all of now. We don't tweet. We don't call. Hopefully tomorrow we're supposed to get Fino and Storm Rex for Inside Studio. Sort of those of now we don't like arrange so that we go fit to follow them discussion tomorrow. Hopefully.
Can you wear a native trouser and a suit to work?
It depends on the policy of the company.
Okay.
It depends on the policy of the company.
Yeah.
Anyway, those of you who don't feel that tweet, make no next time not there again.
Yes.
Until tomorrow, una good night in December month.
Yes.
In December month.
Amen.
Raise your hand.
Yes.
You will succeed.
Amen.
You will succeed. You will succeed.
If you know say na just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.